Hey everybody, Tim here, coming back at you from inside the building. So in my previous video, I kind of spilled the beans on my upcoming 3,000 YouTube subscriber giveaway. Now, if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to go ahead and put a link to it up here. But what I had been teasing all summer long is that this is something that you could only find in the finest of penal institutions here in America. And boy howdy, we are not going to let you down. So what I am giving away is a DenCo 5.5 amp hour battery, but it's not just the standard DenCo 5.5 amp hour battery. It is the prison edition. And by prison edition, I mean it's actually wrapped in clear shrink wrap, which kind of, is the play on words and the joke there about being in the finest of penal institutions. But yes, it is a DenCo 5.5 amp hour battery in the clear wrap, which is kind of cool because there's only a few of those out there. Very limited edition. I own one, and hopefully you will own one too. To get entered, all you have to do is go to my website, and that's GraymanPOTA, G-R-A-Y, spelled the American way. And up in the top right-hand corner will be a button that says subscribe. Click on that button, a new box will open up. In there, you'll enter your email address and you'll hit submit. Another box will pop up with a place for you to enter a 4-digit code. Go to your email, find the email that I just sent you, and go ahead and enter that 4-digit code in the box, hit submit, and that's all you have to do. You are registered for the giveaway. Now, when we hit 3,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel, I will download that list of email subscribers. I will put it into an application and I will draw a random email address for the winner, and I will contact you directly. Now, there is no purchase necessary, and hell, you don't even have to subscribe to my channel, to be quite honest with you, just to the email list. My intention with the email list is to never spam anybody. You can unsubscribe at any time. What I will do is, as I release new videos on YouTube, I will send it out to the list to let people know that it's available. Because unfortunately, or fortunately, people have problems with staying subscribed and getting notifications with YouTube. So this is just a way to make sure that you always know that I have content out there. Now, a couple caveats to the contest here. You have to be located or have it shipped to a location inside of the continental United States. So if you're up in Canada, Hawaii, Alaska, Puerto Rico, over in Europe, down in Mexico, Dennis cannot ship that to you. He is restricted to shipping just inside of the continental United States. With that being said, though, if you are in one of those locations and I do draw you as a winner, we can work something out to get you an equivalent valued prize that we can ship to you without any restrictions. With that being said, if you have any questions or comments, please put those down in the comments section below. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. And until we have an opportunity to meet on the air, I have a video right over here that you might be interested in.